Hi everyone, I'm Ashrith Edukulla, and in this video we're going to look at all the mathematics Olympiad from class 9 to class 12, which will be helpful for you to prepare for IOMO or the International Mathematics Olympiad. And these are a list of few Olympiads what I have qualified if you would want to know. And we're going to look at three types of Olympiads today: the beginner, intermediate, and the advanced Olympiads, which will be helpful in your journey for International Mathematics Olympiad, or if you are wishing to go to US colleges, it would be helpful for you to keep these Olympiads in the achievements list. So let's talk about the basic Olympiads of mathematics. So the basic Olympiads are the school Olympiads, where you can do it if you're really good at your school mathematics, what they teach in your school, like the school curriculum, whatever you follow, CBSE or board or the state board. So there are some good Olympiads that you can qualify if you're like thoroughly done with your school math and you're really good at school math. And these are few Olympiads which are international assessments of Indian school mathematics, National Mathematics Indian Talent Olympiad, American Regions Math League, Unified Council Math and IISMA Math Talent, Aryabhatta Math Olympiad, Unicus Math Olympiad, SF Math Olympiad, and Hummingbird Math Olympiad. In these I have written this one, and I have qualified both of them. And this year I would be writing all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I did not have time last year, so I couldn't write everything. So these are few basic Olympiads what you can write if you are really good with your school math. And even though you're not really good at your school math, you can improve, and you can actually understand your level of level where you stand in the country with these Olympiads. And the intermediate and the advanced Olympiad, you'll actually know your level compared to the best of the best students in India. So these are like the average students. So there are three types of students. Few are really good, few are not that great, and few are average. So these are for the average students who have a good amount of knowledge in math. So the intermediate and the advanced Olympiads are for the students who are really good at math. So these are few, and you'll find all these Olympiads in the description box below, which is really easy for you to get a note of it. So these are few intermediate Olympiads, and these are not Indian Olympiads, but in fact these Olympiads are connected by Junior Olympiad, Global Olympiad Academy. So Global Olympiad Academy is a good academy where they conduct international Olympiads from different countries. So here are a few Olympiads: Asian International Mathematics Olympiad, World Mathematics Invitational, International Singapore Math Contest, Global Junior Online Math Contest, Hong Kong International Math Contest, Thailand International Mathematics Olympiad, SEAMO and SASMO. In these I have written these both, Thailand International Mathematics Olympiad and SEAMO. I have qualified both of them. SEAMO is nothing but Southeast Asian Mathematics Olympiad. These two Olympiads are really nice, and the good things with intermediate Olympiads is that these Olympiads are actually like the first level of the first level Olympiads of countries which are the selection test for IMO. Like this Olympiad second level is kind of similar to IOQM, the level of the paper, and even this one is the level of the paper is almost equal to IOQM. So these kind of Olympiads will let you know where you rank in the country among the good people, not the best of the best people. The best of the best people are going to write Olympiads like IOQM, which comes in the advanced Olympiads. So these will let you understand the level of your preparation and where you stand. So let's look at the advanced Olympiads. So these are few really advanced Olympiads where you will actually need a bit of practice, at least 2 months practice to clear these Olympiads. Like this year IOQM there were only 10 seats, so it was pretty much impossible to qualify except the toppers. I mean, like 11th and 12th graders have a huge advantage compared to the 8th, 9th, 10th graders. So particularly for this case, here try to get the merit cutoff. So the merit certificate cutoff was 8 or 11 marks. So I was able to clear this. I got above 8 marks this year. I got 19 marks, which was pretty good for IOQM, because the cutoff of the top 10 students in my state would be like 32 or something, which was really tough. And these exams, this is the second level, which is RMO. Before IOQM, there used to be PRMO, and the second level of PRMO is RMO. Then AMC is American Math Contest. So American Math Contest is a really good Olympiad where it is really recognized Olympiad by the American schools. So I would say these two are some must Olympiads. And then NMPC, it is like, it replicates PRMO. The level of the paper is almost like PRMO. And Purple Comet exam is like a tournament in which it's like a tournament. I mean, it's a contest of 5 people sitting together and writing. So Purple Comet is one. And Canadian Intermediate Mathematics Contest is another really good Olympiad. It is the like for India we have IOQM. For Canada we have this. So I have got distinction in Canadian Intermediate Math Contest. And then ASMA, ASMA, it is American, I forgot the name, American Scholastic Mathematics Association. It's a really good Olympiad. I have written this but I was not able to qualify. And then Gallius Math Contest. So this is a university in Canada named Waterloo University, University of Waterloo. So the University of Waterloo conducts this examination, and you can register for these Olympiads. These Olympiads are really good Olympiads. So in the next year or the next upcoming year, you can write all these Olympiads, the basic Olympiads, intermediate Olympiads, and the advanced Olympiad, so that you'll know where you stand. So, and in the next video, we're gonna see how to prepare for all these Olympiads. And that's it for this video. Thank you.